What's going on, guys? XRP Lambo here, bringing you another cryptocurrency video. In our last video, we were talking about some kind of rejection coming in this area, and we did get a small rejection in here. Nothing much has changed here for the Bitcoin price. Still bearish, still anticipating price to roll on over, have some kind of bounce, and continue on down to $7,000. As well for the altcoin market, the DXY has bounced some in the zone that we were looking for it to bounce, so that's looking pretty bullish, pretty optimistic there for the DXY. I'm going to keep this wedge up here because you know this is the big fractal wedge that I have been eyeballing here for Bitcoin, and we're just kind of coasting sideways, not too good for the Bitcoin bulls. Yesterday I was talking about some kind of head and shoulders pattern coming in here with the shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder, and we looks like we broke down here. We could just keep trending here for some time. I'm really anticipating there to be some kind of news drop where we can start capitulation. But for the most part, nothing much has changed, just more bearish structures forming their way in here for Bitcoin. I would probably speculate that this is going to be a wave 1 and 2, and that wave 3 will be very brutal somewhere in the mid-20s or 30s to bounce again before we plummet all the way down to $7,000 to $8,000 here for the Bitcoin price chart. Usually I would be bullish in a structure like this. You could argue this is wave 1 and 2, and this is 3 and 4, but we have been going sideways in here for a little too long for the bulls to have answered. The bulls should have answered here where we had the A and the B, and then we had a 1, 2, and then this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should have had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if bulls had done that, then I would be bullish. But we had a little detour here, and it turned into an A, B, C, D, E, which is a pretty extended wave coming in here. Either way you count this bullish structure, this is just kind of falling apart. So I would not be bullish at all. Continuously being bearish in here for the past 5 to 6 months, and price is just kind of distributing out here. So continue to be patient, my bear friends. We should get moving on over to the downside. It's just taking some time. But we've been waiting for months for the price action to go down, and slowly but surely, we are moving our way to the downside. That's going to end this video today. It's going to be nice and sweet for you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you took my call and I told you to short here, go ahead and close that around this area. And that's all I got to say to you. You know the individual that you are who is in that trade. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to donate to me, you can do that freely in the link below for my Bitcoin address. See you guys in the next video, and take care.